If your buyer is about to get their loan denied because the buyer of their home, that they had a contingency that they needed to sell in order to get the loan approved to buy the new home, if that ends up being a reason, here are 3 ways that you might be able to keep this deal alive. Number 1, just revisit eligibility. Ask the loan officer, especially if you get the vibe that the loan officer is not experienced, have them revisit eligibility, meaning is there absolutely any way possible that your buyer could qualify with both mortgage payments? Exhaust all effort in doing that. If that doesn't happen, then your buyer could do what's referred to as a primary conversion, which basically means they're going to provide a 12-month signed lease agreement for the home that they were going to sell, that deal fell through on. As long as they can provide a 12-month signed lease agreement and proof that deposit has been made from whomever is going to lease that home, just make sure that whomever is leasing that home or renting the home from the buyer is not a family member, then we can offset, as a lender, I can offset that monthly mortgage payment for the home that they already own. We don't count that into debt to income, and then we can proceed. And then the last option is to request early occupancy. Sellers don't like this because if they think that there's a contingency to begin with and they're letting somebody move into their home, they're going to hesitate, but it's definitely worth asking. So how this works is your buyer requests permission from the seller to go ahead and move into the home. They rent the home from the seller until their other home sells.